Yep. Good morning, YouTube. It's me and the pup heading up to Tahoe this weekend with a couple friends. This is gonna be Robin's first overnighter or multi-day overnighter, so this is her trial run. What do you have to say for yourself, huh? Well, we're gonna head up to my boy's house, help him pack up, and then we'll see you at the trailhead. Hey.
I should have put the off on. Huh?
Lemon. Quick break before we head up. We're not really at the trailhead yet, but sitting in the truck for that long hurts me, and Robin had to pee. So yeah, this is the crew yet again. We're back together. We got Jay, aka ORG Forerunner, my truck, and then DJ in his brother's truck again. Yeah, so this time we will meet you up at the trailhead. I mean, skip this.
Yeah, I think so.
We're finally at the trailhead, just airing out a little bit here, letting the dog stretch her legs out, and yeah, let's get on with the adventure, eh? You guys get a flat? You guys good? Cool. Yeah, so this is camp right now for tonight. Might switch it up tomorrow, not 100% sure. We're right next to this river crossing that we're gonna do. River, stream crossing, water crossing we're gonna do Sunday, probably when we're doing some exploring. But I think this is it. This is home for the next 2 days. Let's get set up. Look at this. Robin, what happened? Why are you so dirty? Come here. Look how dirty you are now, dude. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What do you do? Yeah, I was gonna put mine over there.
Shit.
And he's out. Okay, so for the most part, this is camp setup. Tents. Them. Got the poopies over there, one over there. And Robin. Robin is straight maxing, dude. You're dirty. What are you doing on my bed? Gotta wipe you down. Started off dinner time. Cheers.
Y'all. Thanks for coming.
Cheers.
Woo. All right. All I did was slice up some onions, pork chops, debone, salt, and pepper. Pan to max high. I'm about to be your next YouTuber. Are you shooting? Are we live?
Hey, we live.
All right, we're live.
All
I got
right.
dust in my mouth.
Cut.
Oh.
All right, we're good.
All right, so we're here cooking dinner. We're doing some pork chop sandwiches straight out the book of Maddie Matheson. Check him out on YouTube. So we're just grilling up right now. Can you like, dude, this camera guy, man, a fire, bro.
Fire? What are you talking about?
You're supposed to pan for the food. Take 2 jalapenos, just throw it in there. Is that a sizzle?
At Roman John, can you be on my channel?
Coffee too for tomorrow.
Me too. We're used to
I have
right
spicy
now.
mustard. You want to experiment?
Yeah, if you want. All right, so we're getting back to the pan, putting it back on the heat on super high, and then we're just gonna deglaze the pan with some onions.
BT.
I hate all of you. All right, so we're just gonna take the
raw
onions.
chicken as well.
All right, so we're just taking this and just gonna fully caramelize those onions.
This guy has a rune dagger. I got a fucking dragon dagger. Look at this shit.
Oh, for all you RuneScape players.
It's stupid. So you want these as caramelized as you can. Added the jalapenos to it, chopped it up, diced it pretty well. Now let's assemble the burger. So you're gonna take your 2 pieces, throw some mustard on it. Spread it around real nice.
Can I vlog mine too?
Throw a patty on top.
Wow, look at that.
And then you're gonna get your onions
I like it.
and then throw it. Just throw it on top.
You know,
And that's it.
red meat.
Yup. Mmm.
I think me too. I'm already watching. I will rip it.
We're gonna go check out the water crossing. Robin's being a little scaredy cat. What are you doing under here? Come on, let's go. She doesn't want to walk there. She's scared of the running water, so just gonna carry her up.
Now it's on.
Dude, that water felt really clean. Oh hell no!
You can hella do that.
I don't want his front to get.
So like you'll smell it?
He went fast.
On TV.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Where's the chasers at?
Wait, is soju just
So just posted up, chilling. Gonna sleep on it, see if we want to pack up again tomorrow, find a new camp spot, which we probably will. Yeah, catch you guys in the morning. Have a good night. Shh.